Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do this rotating picture effect that I made here. We'll start on the edit page. Both pictures have to be the exact same size. So start out up in the media pool, right click. Select new fusion composition. Leave it on 5 seconds and you can name it if you like, but you don't have to. And then grab it and bring it on down your timeline. I am on a 30 frame per second frame rate. And now we're down to Fusion. Bring both your pictures down. Select either one of them. Go up here in the toolbar and select the image plane. Select the other one. And then select another image plane off the toolbar. Click right about here. Click away. Select Merge 3D. And then another Merge 3D. Camera. Spotlight. And Render. Go ahead and connect that right into the media out. Connect both these image planes into the first merge. Let's drag that second merge into viewer 1 first. We'll connect both them. Let's go to the render node. Enable lighting and shadows. Also, up to render type, change it from software renderer to hardware renderer. That way your computer will decide how much of the GPU or CPU needs to be used for the best efficiency. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard due to health reasons. If you look in viewer 1, you'll see everything's compiled right into one spot. So let's select the camera node. Go to the inspector under transform. Under rotation, under translation, Z-axis. And if you look in the left viewer, you'll see the camera moving back. And if you look in viewer 2, you'll see when having a light. That's because we already selected the lighting and shadows. So get it somewhere where it looks something like that. Then select the spotlight in the inspector and the transform. Select use target. And same thing, translation, Z-axis. And you'll see in viewer 2, the light's starting to show. Now I want to zoom out so we can see everything in viewer 1. Select the spotlight node again. And position it something like that. Go to controls and open the cone all the way up. Right now, both image planes and the pictures are right on top of each other. That's why you're only seeing one. So select the first image plane. Go to the inspector under Transform. Under Translation, Z-axis, and put that at 0.3. You may have to adjust yours differently depending on the size of your picture. Now go to the second image plane. Go to the inspector under Transform, Translation, Z-axis, and we're going to make that minus 0.3. Okay, now we have a decent gap between the pictures, and we want to do it that way so the fulcrum point is still in the center, so when we animate it, it'll rotate correctly. So select the first merge, shift spacebar, transform 3D. Make sure it's connected. Now we can go in the inspector with that selected under rotation, Y-axis, and we can rotate the whole thing. See the glare on this picture? We want to get rid of that. So select one of the image planes. Go to Materials in the inspector. Go down to Specular. Take the intensity all the way down. Now if you look at your picture, it doesn't have that glare. I'm going to take the exponent all the way up. And we'll do the same thing with the other one. Let's add another light to the scene. Select the second merge. Shift spacebar. And ambient light. Select that ambient light node. Go in the inspector and turn the intensity either all the way up or close to it. I'm going to go all the way, then we'll go back to the spotlight. And we'll turn that down to probably right around half, 0.5. I see here the back picture is backward. So select that image plane for that picture. Go to the inspector under Transform. Down to Rotation. And rotate that to 180. Okay, your transform node, make sure that is at 0. And your playhead is at 0. We'll go ahead and animate this. Set a keyframe under the rotation Y-axis. I'm going to go ahead 75 frames, which is halfway through my, it's 2.5 seconds, halfway through my 5 seconds. I'm going to rotate this to 180. and then take the playhead all the way to the end. Now we'll rotate the y-axis to 360. With the transform node selected, up here at the top, select your spline. If your whole spline window isn't open, go up here to this little button and select it, and it'll open it. You can select show only selected tools here. That way you don't have all of them shown on the screen. In case you do, you can select that top one. Select the transform over there. And select zoom to fit. Then select all. And right next to it, set relative. This way we can stretch the timeline out as long as we want to. Let's go ahead and go farther with it. Go ahead and hit the F as in flatten on the keyboard as well. And then T as in Tom on the keyboard. We're going to adjust the ease in and the ease out, both of them. So if you want to hit that little lock, it'll lock the ease out. That way it'll be the same as the ease in automatically. And take that up to about 60. I'm at 55, I'll go with that. Close your spline. Let's go up to the edit page. Render the cache. If that seems too big, we can go back down in Fusion, move the camera back, which I'm going to do. Mine looks too big. And now that we set the relative, we can extend this as long as we'd like. Let's turn the ambient light down just a little bit. And let's put a generator under it. And we put a drop shadow on it, make a pop. Let it render out. You can go ahead and play with the lighting. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.